Hello and welcome back to my channel. For this video we're going to make Coca-Cola chicken wings. Here's the ingredients. Here we have chicken wings, salt and pepper, soy sauce, Coca-Cola, and we also have garlic and ginger. Here's the complete list of the ingredients that we're going to use. Alright, so from here we're going to start marinating our chicken wings. We're going to add in our salt and pepper to taste. And I use cooking wine. This will make our chicken tender and tasty. Let's leave our chicken wings for about 10 to 20 minutes before we start cooking. Let's heat up our cooking pan and add in some oil. Once our cooking oil is nicely heated, let's start frying our chicken wings. Here I'm cooking my chicken wings at a medium heat. Let it cook until our chicken turns light brown, but in this video I'm going to do it differently. I want it crispier on the outside but tender on the inside. Flip it over after 5 to 10 minutes. After this, I flipped it again just to make sure that we'll be able to get that crispy side of the chicken on the other side. Once it's nicely fried, we'll set it aside. Let's empty the cooking oil that we used and put in our chicken back again. Our frying pan is heated on a medium heat. And from here we're going to start cooking for our chicken's coating. From here we will then add our Coca-Cola. Add up the soy sauce. We'll put in our garlic and ginger. The garlic and the ginger that we just added will add a really good taste to our chicken wings. Leave it to a boil until the sauce evaporates. Don't forget to flip the chicken over so that the sauce will be added on the other side. From here it looks like the top coat of my chicken is already dried up, so I flip it over again. Alright, now that our chicken looks good, our sauce has already evaporated, it's ready to serve. I'm just going to top it up with sesame seeds. If you have onion chives, that's a good option too. Here's the finished product of our Coca-Cola chicken wings. Here I'm just going to show you how it looks like in a better view. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. And thank you so much for watching.